Boom! Boom! Alright friends, welcome back to Boston Kitchen. Now today we have an exciting dish, which is shrimp with broccoli. This is a Chinese dish, and most of you are familiar with, but this is exciting the way we make it, delicious. And these are the ingredients. Over here, this is the broccoli. We have the shrimp, garlic and ginger, some onions. We got chopped green onions, and this is our seasoning, which is oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and Sauteing wine, rice wine vinegar. Then we have our house all-purpose seasoning in-house, some white pepper, sesame oil. This we're going to use for a special technique that I'm going to teach you all. Okay, we have sugar over here. We have chicken bouillon. This is cornstarch, some salt, and baking soda. Now, all right, so without further ado, this is the secret that I'm going to show you how to tenderize and make your shrimp plump, just like you see in the restaurant, so that you don't cook very hard and plump that. Okay, so now this is the secret to a plump and very pliable shrimp that you see in the restaurant. So now we're going to use some white egg whites. You can use one egg white, should be fine. And then add a little bit salt, a little bit cornstarch, and a little bit baking soda. So we'll mix it together. Gonna mix it. So this will be our brine. We are brining our shrimp. And when you do it, you don't have to brine it for too long, because shrimp is very delicate, and also the baking soda will make it better. So you mix it and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. All right, the shrimp has marinated for about 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go rinse it. Now when you rinse it, you need to make sure you rinse it thoroughly, really good, 2 or 3 times. So I'll rinse it and come back. All right, now that we've finished brining the shrimp and rinsing it thoroughly, we'll rinse it about 3 times to get rid of the baking soda effect. So now we're gonna proceed to marinate. So we need some egg white. It's a process almost like they call it velveting, but we're not doing full velveting. So it's also a secret in the restaurant to get your shrimp more tender. Just a little bit of cornstarch, and then a little bit salt. So you mix it together, mix it, and then we're going to put some white pepper. We'll put some white pepper, and then mix it up. And then we'll let it sit whilst it's marinating. Boom! Friends, welcome back to Boston Kitchen. Now we're gonna turn on the fire, turn the stove onto medium high, where we'll saute our broccoli. We'll put in garlic infused oil. Now, a lot of people have problems burning their garlic, and then also getting some burn bits, and worry about how to save the garlic. So now the best way, use the garlic infused oil. I'll show you how to do that in another video. And then once the skillet has come to heat is hot right now. We put in our broccoli. All right, so now let's see. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna make it quick. You don't need to do it so long because we're gonna finish it with the shrimp. So here we put in a little bit salt, just a tiny bit of salt and sugar, and let it stir fry. Okay, then put in just a tad of water, just a tad. Of water. And we cover it up and let it heat a little bit for about a couple of minutes. All right, so we can put in a little bit white pepper as well, just a little bit touch, and then we stir fry. We mix it. Then we turn off the fire. It's good. Good for now. Empty. All right, so we'll sit on the side and then we'll work on the shrimp. You put in a little bit more oil, and add our shrimp. Alright, let's put in there. As you can see, the shrimp is very, very plump from that marinade that we did. It has caused it to be plump and it's going to be juicy, not rubbery like most shrimp get. It's a restaurant secret. So allow it to cook for a little bit, let 2 minutes on each side, then you flip it. That's what you want. You want that color on your shrimp. You want that color. You don't want to cook it too long because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Okay, so now, all right, so now we're going to add the broccoli. Add the broccoli. Let's see, a little bit seasoning. Then we add a little bit of garlic. Now you can add the garlic because we're not going to cook long, and a little bit of ginger, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and then we introduce our sauces, the sauce. This is a combination of soy sauce, oyster sauce, Sauteing wine, and then we put a little bit of sesame oil, just a little bit, and then finally our chicken bouillon. Oh, not finally, we've got one more thing, the slurry, the cornstarch slurry. This is a combination of cornstarch and some water. Make sure you stir it real good before you add it because cornstarch tends to settle at the bottom. And then mix it together. That's it. That's all right. This is our finished product. So let's plate it. Wow, it's smelling so good. It's amazing, the flavor here. Okay friends, so this is our shrimp and broccoli stir fry. And please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification button so you'll be the first to notify when new videos comes out. So let's give it a try and see. So delicious. It looks good and smells really good. It's so tender, juicy, and succulent. Wow. Here, go ahead and make some for you, your family, and your loved ones. This is delicious. Man, give me a thumbs up and enjoy it. Bon appetit.